This is Margaret Willman with Haverford Systems. We're here in Coatesville, Pennsylvania at Olivet United Methodist Church. We just installed a really nice audiovisual system for the church, including a nice streaming system for them to be able to broadcast their sermons to remote congregations.
Hi, I'm Mike Gibler. I'm a volunteer at Olivet United Methodist Church in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. We have Haverford Systems here working with us to install a video system for our entire church.
We have 2 projectors with 2 large screens for the congregation to see, 4 flat panel displays. We also have 2 cameras, 2 PTZOptics cameras, so they get 2 different angles. Up in the booth where they're controlling the whole system, they have an Intel NUC as the main PC with vMix on it to mix the cameras and stream them out to YouTube and Facebook.
We're looking forward to be able to use this to bring our services to a much wider audience, those that might be shut-ins or those that might live in different communities around the country, so that they can see things such as baptisms and funerals and weddings if they can't be here in time. So we're really glad to be installing this system here at Olivet.
Live streaming is so powerful because it allows churches, small and large, to reach people all around the world. I like to think about the church's live streaming system as a bridge between the church and the world online. The church is now able to reach the elderly, shut-ins, traveling members, and people from all walks of life who may not even be Christian. Many churches are now using live streaming to enhance their ability to generate digital donations from online contributors. Book a meeting with one of our dedicated account managers here at Haverford Systems to learn more about how your church can increase communications, outreach, and mind share in your local community. We can even share with you a free guide on accepting donations directly through popular social media sites such as Facebook and YouTube.
Haverford Systems is headquartered in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 800-486-5276, and our website is www.haverford.com.